Hey Skydians! In this video, you'll learn some of the minimal and easy color corrections that you can use to make your R1 footage pop. The footage straight out of your R1 is a semi-flat image, which means that when it comes to color, you have a bit of freedom to choose how your image looks. Although we're using Adobe Premiere with this example, all of these principles are very universal to most video editing software. Let's start by opening Lumetri Color in Premiere so that we can see all of our color correcting tools. The first tool that we'll be using is the Curves tool. Curves is very powerful and very universal. You should be able to find this tool within any video editing software. On the x-axis of curves, you have shadows versus your highlights. On the y-axis, you have your darkest points versus your lightest points. We recommend adding a slight S-curve to add some contrast to your R1 footage. To do this, click somewhere around here and drag the point up. Then click somewhere right around here and drag the point down. And as you can see, there's a slight S to the shape that we've created, hence the name S-curve. That simple adjustment is starting to make our shot look a little better already. Okay, I'm noticing that the white balance in this shot is a little too cool, so I'm going to apply another simple fix to this shot and go to the temperature slider and add some yellow to the color spectrum. Because yellow is the opposite of blue, I've now counteracted the cool tones with warm ones to make my shot look a little more natural. So yeah, as you can see, simply adding some contrast via the Curves tool and a little bit of saturation in your basic corrections will make your R1 footage really come to life. Looking at the before and after of this image, we can see that with just a few slight changes, we've really helped make our image pop. Okay, that's it for this video, but for more tips and tricks, please visit skydio.com/support.